Hello there. The government of Meghalaya has launched the Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge for the most promising entrepreneurs of the state. If you have an innovation-based business or are an early-stage enterprise, Prime will assist and support you and help you with your challenges to get your business to the next level while participating in Prime's 9-month incubation program.
Rewards and benefits. Top 50 selected entrepreneurs will receive the following benefits. Business support grant ₹2 lakh for top 25 and ₹1 lakh for bottom 25. Recognition certificate awarded from Meghalaya Government and IIM Calcutta Innovation Park. Dedicated one-on-one mentoring with seasoned industry experts and professionals to guide and handhold the entrepreneurs.
Capacity building, regular boot camps, trainings and workshops related to entrepreneurial development in order to build a sustainable and growth-oriented business. Access to funding opportunities available under Prime such as grants, loans, capital ventures, etc. Access to markets, connect to buyers in and outside Meghalaya.
Free co-working spaces. Incubators are offered the benefits of co-working spaces in the vibrant Prime hubs at Shillong and Tura. Visibility and networking. Prime Hub has a strong network in both the local and national media as well as social media channels. Support on marketing and legal services. Assured assistance on a plethora of subjects such as logo designing, branding, accounting, website making, and legal advice on the establishment of your company.
Opportunity to collaborate with successful existing entrepreneurs of the state. Incubated startups will be eligible for startup tools. Exposure to global practices on entrepreneurship to the most promising startup during the incubation program. Bottom 50 will transition to the pre-incubation program subject to qualification.
The applicant should be an adult citizen of India. The applicant should be a domicile resident of Meghalaya. The applicant should have an existing business in Meghalaya and be able to show first traction or revenues.
The applicant should work on innovative and scalable business model, product, solution or processes that have potential to create employment opportunities in Meghalaya. In case if the applicant has an existing business or startup, then it should not be older than 6 years.
The Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge 4.0. Build your innovative business and make yourself and Meghalaya shine. Apply now. Visit www.primemeghalaya.com/CMECC. Application closes on the 15th of September 2023. Contact us for more details. Get incubated at Prime and take your business to the next level.
Ya kani kejingelang pynsngewthuh paidbah belapenlong da ke Seng Samla Mawkhar. Laple da ke Director Ketenat Social Welfare ikong CD Lengwa kong kakongsan. Ha ke Balaidan lang psychologist ke District Mental Health Program East Khasi Hills na Memhans uba Truman Basayomot. U Ayurveda Practitioner Naturopathy u Tenzing Shering na New York, USA. U President ke NRE Pageant India Private Limited uba Ransom Sutnga. U President ke Seng Samla Mawkhar uba Daniel Sengai. Kinong ilam shnong kinong kitkam ka Seng Samla Mawkhar bat kiwe-kiwe. Kajing penlong yang ke program kadai kum shibenta jong kajing rakyat jong ka Seng Samla Mawkhar ya kajing dap arpusan senem jongka. Bat hagan ke program la pensyai paidbah halor droks bat kum jo ikilat manajing sumar gitu ke jingkyrni dagi dawai kynbat ba lait no na kajing di droks. Ikong CD Lengwa ila ai kajing batai syapang ka Dream Project jong ke Sarkar Jela banilek banrat dengkong ya kajing di droks. Bat ilong ru bakadaw jong kajing kenrei kajing di drugs kadai ba kum kikmikik pa. Lese kimdon kajing kit kli elaki kuon kajing jur palat kajing pep school steng por ki kena bat kiwe-kiwe. Hagani kajing elang la yo ru kajing kren na uba Truman Basayomot ubala batai syapang kidaw jong kajing di drugs ki kena bat ki Samla. Kat bau Tenzing Shering ulapan pau ya kerukom kle kidawai kynbat ki bala ban pen kre hi halaki yang kisem.
So it was a spark in my heart because we go back to the dream of Joseph. He had a dream and for that he was persecuted. And it becomes, very divinely connected, coordinated, that just after I joined, just 1 week, the government of Meghalaya launched this mission, and it was prepared by Social Welfare Department. What is the name of the word dream? Drug reduction and elimination and action mission. She said for mission. That means there's a time bomb, and whatever you do, there is a target and a goal. And our goal is what under this mission? To reduce drug. Why? Because it is a tax on society. It has been pinched on our normal living. And so, under our Honorable Chief Minister, who is visionary, again we go back, without a vision, my people perish. Proverbs 29:18. We will not confuse it with Hosea 4:6. My people are destroyed for a lack of knowledge. That is why, under this mission, we are also talking about poverty reduction. It's a sustainable development goals, poverty reduction, because these are one of the causes for drug infection. They cannot have guitars or, internet or piano to play at home, so the kids get exposed. So if we come to faith leaders, if the church takes a proactive role to give these kind of education, and then willingly not make a dropout. The dropout came because of lack of nutrition. Protein but folic acid. Check only when the body shadow is nothing nutritional. Because of this, the Social Welfare Department has been doing it also, the Supplementary Nutrition Program, SNP, which is very powerful. Anganwadi centers now, last week, the World Bank is giving us money, again to the Social Welfare Department, thanks to the government of Sir Conrad, but you're getting collaboration, but you're getting loan, number, calculation is so